Guys, have you read the description of this pond? This is a medium-sized secluded lake that is not easily accessible. Fishermen must travel a very rough jeep trail, walk, or fly. Fishing pressure is extremely light because of the difficulty of reaching the pond. Salmon and brook trout provide good spring and fall fishing. Huh. Well guys, it sounds like we have an adventure ahead of us today. Welcome back to the channel. As you may be able to tell, we are in Maine. We've been doing a lot of jumping around from Texas to Florida, now to the beautiful North Woods of one of my favorite places on earth. We've also got a very special guest with us as well. We got Slammy D.
I am back, boys and girls.
He is back. He has risen and he is ready to rip some brookie cheeks. How many brookie cheeks do you plan on clapping this trip?
At least 10.
We're on our way to the spot right now. Just grabbed some bait from Beach Grove Bait and Tackle, classic little local spot. And we are hoping for, you know, kind of a dodgy send, a place we've never been to before, but you know, maybe it's rewarding. The goal is to catch brookies, lake trout, salmon, anything that wants to bite, we're down to catch. So stick with it, stay tuned.
Let's get it.
Brookies, you say? Yes, big brookies. On top side? Yes.
Oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm on. Oh my gosh, I'm on. Holy moly, I'm on, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
How do you drag this?
My drag is tight, Dice. Oh my gosh, what do I have?
I don't know, but you get
Dude, they just flipped my bail up. Okay. We're making something out of nothing here. This is gonna be really sketchy, dude. I'm gonna need all your help. Oh my God, I have no idea what just happened there, but that thing just went like a bat out of hell. I think I got him wrapped right now.
That was awesome.
Holy moly, dude. That was a gong show. You should.
It's a Laker run.
That's pretty tight. I have no idea what this is. I'm so curious. Those are some head shakes. I just saw it.
Oh my
It's a
gosh.
brookie. It's a brookie.
Is it? I
It's
just saw
nice
white
brookie.
belly.
It's a nice brookie, dude.
So hard to see in the hole. We got a lot of ice here. It's really hard to see down here, and you want to make sure that you get the head straight up the hole.
I'm 90% sure it's a nice brook trout. There he is right there.
Nice fish.
This is super dodgy.
Oh my gosh.
What is this? I'm trying to get.
Just straight up. Just pull up.
Trying. There he goes. Dice, get ready. Dice, get ready. Grab him. Nice Laker. Grab him. Grab him. Nice Laker. Nice Laker. Oh, let's go, man.
Oh,
Let's go.
yes!
Yes. Yes, dude. Yes. This is epic. You got him. Yep, got him.
Woo! Guys, can you explain what happened? Because I can't even think right now.
Oh, so this is a backwoods mountain lake. You know, we found on the map, did some research, came to it, and we've been running around. There's not even a topographic map for this lake, so we're just trying to find the right chunk rock.
Speaking of chunk rock, what happened before this?
So right before this, we came to
water.
the spot. We thought this was the best looking spot. We start drilling, and it's like 8 feet, 10 feet. He's in 12 feet, and then 3 feet. I drill, I go through the ice, and I hit a rock right away. So our auger is pretty much screwed. Yeah.
Check out that Laker. That's my first Maine Laker. I've never caught a Maine native lake trout, and it's a beautiful one. In 11 feet of water, not exactly where you'd expect to catch them. I was certain that it was a brook trout because this is a very brook trout looking spot. But we will take a Laker all day. That's what we're out here for, Lakers and brookies, and that is, dude, that's a gorgeous fish.
Except for its face. Look at how ugly it is.
Ooh, you little you ugly, man. You ugly.
He's got a nice dorsal.
Hey, bro, I
though.
think he's pretty though.
Sweet
Honestly.
and just stand up like that.
Yeah, dude, we did it, man. I was so bummed out when the auger just was cashed, and I was like, oh my God. Hopefully this is your spot too. I was like, hopefully this pans out. So we're gonna grab some picks and put big old slime ball back down in the hole. Nice fish, put it there, dude. Success.
Woo!
Success. See you later, Chief. Woo! Backwoods fishing, man, pays off.
Let's go.
Fishing remote waters for shallow water lake trout. Let's get some more. What'd you say? Brookie?
10.1, if you work further back to where it narrows down, you think it's brookie territory? Over.
I reckon so. I mean, it's like a nice little place for bait to get trapped and funnel them through. That's kind of what I like. I like this spot over here. I think I'm gonna catch a fish though. Over and out.
We need some walkie-talkie names.
Okay, call me Slim Jimmy. What's yours?
Slim Jimmy, you can call me Dicey Duster.
Alrighty, tidy, dicey duster. I love walkie-talkies. That's a trout right there. About to smack it. Here we go, I'm on. Trout on. Fish on, baby. Yes. Yes! Gotta let the boys know. Whew. Wow, that was exciting. I like barely saw him on the graph there for a second. What's your code name again? Brookie! Brookie! Yeah, just caught him. Yeah, just caught him. Just now. Little Brookie! What we have on the ice here is a nice little brook trout. You can keep one over 10 in this lake, so we are going to bring him home and eat him. Normally I don't like eating fish, or especially brook trout that are so beautiful, but they are insanely good table fare. Let me get this guy hooked really quickly. Came up and smacked it in 5 feet of water. I was licking my line and I saw him chase, and I dropped back down and he ate it. Let me get a nice little shot out.
I am here.
No! Gone. Actually, never mind.
Oh, you went down the hole?
Yep. we were gonna eat that brook trout, but then I just put him in the hole like an idiot. I was trying to wash him off so we can get a cool shot of him, but he's gone. Did I mention they're pretty wily?
Winding down here, grinding it out, but we gotta rip back to the truck. We gotta make a couple stops, so I think we're about to wrap it up. John's being a nice guy, packing it up. Let me jig here, see if I can sneak one in before the end of the day, but you know, it's hard to complain when you're out in this, just out in the middle of nowhere in some random mountain lake, so we had ourselves a day, that's for sure. Watch this, boy!
Well, guy, didn't necessarily crush it, but we caught some fish today. Sun is setting, that beautiful Maine sun is just dipping behind those trees. We actually found a little bit of fun at the tail end of the day, a little sending. Holy nut, is it cold though. One last jump, he says, one more jump. So epic. Buddy had a worse day than us. I don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of grouse, but he wasn't here this morning. I think maybe I don't know, he could have hit the house. The house is like right here, so maybe he flew into a window. Or do grouse even fly? I think they kind of like, they fly a little bit, but no, they don't like necessarily soar. First time I've ever gotten this close to a grouse. Anyway, although we didn't necessarily wreck them out in the ice today, we've got a long night ahead of us. I've got a ton of stuff I want to do for you guys, and we're just gonna have fun. This is Dice's last night, pretty much his only night in Maine, so we want to make the most of it, and he didn't catch a fish today, so we're gonna have fun. Way more fun than this guy though. Wow, sorry buddy. Maybe better luck next time, or never. Big sendage incoming.
We gotta go check some trail cams. We just watched a movie, you know. It was an alright movie, kind of scary movie. I was a little frightened, but I did alright.
It was about the woods.
Yeah, it was about the deep, dark woods, a moose creature. Hey! Come on! Come on!
What's this? Trail cam number 1? Oh dude,
Yeah,
she's
look at
icy. This is trail cam number 1. This has been sitting for 2.5 weeks. The cool thing is we think that we saw a moose on one of the previous trail cams. I honestly think like there's moose like traveling through this property. Right, I'm doing video and photo on these trail cams, and they're also kind of bunk ass trail cams. They're good, they're all right. They get really good quality photos and video. We'll
they're rechargeable batteries.
yeah, I'll re-up these later. Anyway, trail cam number 1 down. We're looking for big deer on this, but if anything else shows up in this trail cam, we're gonna be equally as stoked. That being moose, coyotes. I've not seen a single coyote on any of these trail cams, yet I see a ton of sign and a ton of tracks. Anyway, trail cam number 1, let's go check the next one. You ready? This is trail cam number 2. This is the trail cam that is like farthest from like my property line, but this is where we caught that supposed like little moose. Here's the picture. You guys let us know in the comment section below if you think it is a moose. I think it is. Dice thinks it is. We all think it is. A lot of you guys commented in the comment section below. But anyway, trail cam number 2. I'm hoping for some good stuff on this. If there is a moose in the area, he probably came back to this zone and I don't know. What do little baby moose do? Do you know? I don't know. Oh!
Gone. Footage lost.
They're waterproof.
There are. Nothing like dropping a fucking SD card in the snow. There's probably like big buck footage on here and we'll never know. This is where I drop most of my feed. By the way, we heard your guys' comments. Corn is not good for wintertime deer feeding. We stopped spreading corn, for your information. That was a big trial and error. Any deer that ate that corn, that was probably like their first like actual corn meal. I doubt anyone's spreading corn this time of year in Maine.
I'd beg to differ.
Okay, Dice begs to differ. We got one more trail cam to check. This is the one that I'm super interested about because I threw no feed in front of this. It's on a very like weird spot. There's like hardly any sign back there, but for some reason, I've got like a really good feeling that's like a good like lane for deer.
Yeah.
Seems suspicious.
No.
Let's check it.
I'm all for it.
Let's check it. Third and final trail cam. You gotta honestly like sometimes go against the grain. All the fatty does, they're going northeast. I'm gonna go southwest.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm hoping is on this cards. This is the third and final trail cam. You've got 3 SD cards, hopefully full of some juicy nature footage. We're open for what, Dice? Big bucks. Like, there's no chance we're gonna see any sort of giant moose. Fox would be cool too. Yeah. Or anything you can basically hunt. That's what we're looking for on these trail cams. But anyway, there's no better way to find out than to go take these SD cards back to the cabin, put them in the SD slot, and check them. So we will meet you guys there. Boys, back at the camp. We're checking the SDs right now, hoping for some big buckskis.
And butts.
And butts, big buttskis. Big Sasquatches. Okay, well, I'm looking for something that has not, oh, wow, that's sick. What's he doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, he's dancing. He's
going forward. Keep going.
He's getting it. Decent. We got meat on screen. Meat on screen, some does, maybe potentially
These
some.
are all midday.
We got lots of doe butts.
Butts, yeah. We said we wanted butts.
Fatty doe butts coming in hot right there. See that? That's primo doe butts. So I put English muffins in front of the some outdated, expired.
You're gonna get like.
You can't feed deer English muffins. Like, I don't know. I think the camera died. There was a ton of deer. So this is trail cam number 1. It's the one that's closest to my pond. The reason why I put a trail cam there is because there's like a water source, and I think they kind of congregate in that area, and there's tons of deer sign in that spot. So SD card number 1, closest to the cabin or the camp. Pretty productive. Nothing extraordinary.
Whoa, what the heck was that? What is that? Out of the middle of its head.
Yeah, wait, what?
You see it here too? The same distortion of its ear.
Maybe it's a 3-ear deer. Buddy has got 3 ears.
Yeah. No.
Holy
oh,
no, it's not.
Cut.
It's a cut. How do you get that though? That's crazy.
There it is again.
So we have got a deer who has a cut.
But it's not even like a
That's
cut.
not a cut. That's a distortion. That's like a deformity.
Yeah, it's definitely a deformity.
We should put him on the radar. Dude, go back. There he is again. Dude.
Yeah. That's wild.
It looks huge.
So you'll know what you should name that deer, so you always know.
3-ear deer. But he's staring right into the cam. He's like, for sure. Nice, man.
Oh, bobcat!
No way! No way! Dude, a big one, too.
Yeah, that is a big
honker.
Beauty.
Boys, let's go.
It's a bobcat, too. You can tell.
This is what we were after. So we knew there was deer on the property. We knew that there was.
I don't even know why we didn't mention bobcat either. But
oh my,
that's awesome.
Was that 3-ear? No, it's not.
No, I was seeing if it might be.
You should call him Trey.
That might be a buck.
What?
You should call him Trey instead of 3-eared.
Trey.
That might be.
Ayo, Trey. Should we call the 3-eared deer Trey or
yeah, like
3-eared? Trey's kind of nice too. Yeah.
Oh, Kyle.
Oh yeah. Wow. Dude, this trail cam is way more productive than I thought it would be. Wow. Big coyote too.
Bobcat.
Again. Yes, that's the same one. Wow.
A couple days later, quite a few days later, actually 7 days later, a week later.
Would you want to trap one or would you want to shoot one?
Well, I'd obviously prefer to shoot one, but I think, I don't know, I want to get into trapping.
So, this is big news. On the second trail cam, which is obviously way more productive, deeper in the woods, we've seen deer, bobcat, which is really dope, and we've also seen a glimpse of a coyote, which I'm surprised. I thought we'd see more coyote, because when I first moved in, there was a ton of sign. Anyway, we got one more card. Here's the thing, this one could be the wild card. I've barely taken this trail, like there's very little like.
And it's also the closest to your house.
Yeah, so no feed. I don't travel this trail at all. I leave it like barren for the sole purpose of like maybe animals will feel more comfortable taking this route. It's a trail, but I don't use it. Okay, so this trail cam's picking up some stuff, which is cool though because which is cool because we didn't expect this to like, oh, snowshoe.
Snowshoe.
That's sick. Little snowshoe. Bottom left corner.
So you had that one out for 24 days. Is it what it says?
Brutal. I thought I was gonna see like a huge bull moose on this cam. It seems like SD card number 2 was the one that was the most productive. We saw lots of different species, tons of deer. This one, unfortunately, just wasn't it. Well, the trail cam mission was at the very least a minor success. Didn't see any elusive moose, but we did see a bobcat, we did see a coyote, and we got some like insane deer footage. At the very least, I know there is some serious potential back there. What do you say, Dice? Come fall, there's gonna be some big guys rolling in. This is not like a good time to see big deer, eh? Like from our perspective too, like with that camera, like it's not a great camera. Like it's hard to tell what is a big fatty and what is just a plump doe. But anyway, this is a fun video to film for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We may not have caught a ton of fish today, but it was fun to get in the backwoods, experience a new body of water, and, you know, just do something different. Fish a piece of Maine that I've never touched before. By the way, aside from all these Maine antics, I want to give you guys kind of a sneak preview as to what is to come. Once we're done filming for these next few days in the cabin here in Maine, we're gonna jump from here to Chicago, spend a day in Chicago, then go from there to Dubai, and then from Dubai to Port Sudan, where we're gonna film the first international trip of the year, where we're gonna be throwing baits like this one that you see that is in my left hand. Quite the jump from what we did today and what I'm gonna be doing for the next few days as far as like jigging for fish to the ice. I hope you guys are excited as we are for this this huge transition, this huge send to a very different part of the world that I've honestly never been to before. Honestly, I feel like these past few months I've been just trying to explore as much new water as I possibly can. And that's one of the reasons why we went on this mission today, is just like try something new. Stay tuned for more Maine videos, but furthermore, stay tuned for this big send that Alex and I are gonna be working on for the next 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. I appreciate the view. I'm peacing out, signing out, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.